Hi everyone, in another video I showed you how you can insert an image into Google Docs using N8N. But then someone asked me, hey Peter, how to insert a chart from Google Sheets instead? Well, let me tell you, there is no video showing you this on YouTube, and on the whole internet there is almost no information about this. So in this video I will show you exactly how you can do this. And now let's start building. Before I start building the workflow, I will show you what we will do. We will start with a Google template like this, and we will replace the placeholder chart here with a chart from Google Sheets. And we will use this chart. So we start by copying the template. And we will give it a new name. And we execute this step. And now we get this document. Got a document. And this is the ID from the copied document. And now if we execute this step, we get the content of this document. And as shown in the previous video, we need the index of chart here. So for that, I'm going to use an edit node. The index is, and then we do again index of, and we get the index of the placeholder chart here. I'm also going to declare two more variables. The sheet ID, and that is easy to get. We take this string and we copy it. And also the name of the sheet where the chart is. So this was sheet 1. Okay, nothing spectacular. And now we go back to our sheet. I'll show you something. There is no way to get this sheet directly or immediately into N8N. Even if you publish this chart, there is no way to get this ID. And as you can see, it is completely different than the sheet ID. So we need to do something else. And to solve this, we need to add a little script to Google Sheets. Therefore, we go to Extensions, Apps Script, and there you paste this code or type this code. But no worries, this code will be in the description of this video. So what does this script do? It opens a Google Sheet, it grabs the first chart from a specific sheet, converts it into a PNG image, base 64 encodes it, and then returns it so N8N can download it. This applies to every sheet, not this stats document in specific, but to all the sheets you make in Google Sheets. Next step is to deploy it. You click on Deploy, New Deployment. You give it a name. I leave it like it is. Select type, you choose Web App, and then you click on Deploy. And once you have deployed it, you will get a URL. Copy this URL because we need it for later. So copy it. And now we're gonna make an HTTP request to this URL. It's a GET request. You copy and paste the link you just got. the authentication generic OAuth2, and you choose your Google credentials. We also have to send query parameters. The first one is the ID, and that is the sheet ID. And then the second one is the name of the sheet itself, and that is sheet 1. And now we have to do some other things. We have to go to options because we have to download it as a text file. So the response will be a text file. And now if we execute this, it downloads the chart from that particular sheet. If here you only see, let's say, doc type is HTML, it means that you have to authenticate your script in Google Sheets. And now you say, Peter, this is just a text file. Wait, in the next step, we will transfer it or convert it to a PNG file. So convert to file. And here we choose the one at the bottom. Move base 64 string to file. The input field is the data file we got as output, and as option, file name. Give it the file name .png, and also MIME type, and here it is image/png. And now let's execute this. And here you see it has downloaded the file. The next step is upload it to Google Drive. I'll give it a name, my chart again. And we execute this. And now it has been uploaded. Next step will be sharing this file. Okay, I'll make it like this, clean it up a bit. Again, Google Drive, and share a file. And here we choose ID, and this is the file ID. Add permissions, role only read, and anyone. Okay, now it has been shared, and the next step is the same as in the other video. We're gonna make an API call to Google Docs and insert it. So HTTP call again. And this is the URL we need. And it is a post request. And again, generic credential OAuth2 and my Google credentials. And we have to send a JSON body using JSON. And you copy and paste this JSON file. For the index, we have the index here. So we move it to here. And the URL, the ID is the shared file. The ID is this. And I think I forgot something. Here I need to replace it with the ID of the Google Doc file. So remove this one and replace it this ID. Okay, and now execute this step. And it should have inserted the chart. Now let's check. Here it is. And it has inserted the chart where this was before here. And now for this we can get rid of it by updating the document and replacing it by nothing. So if we go back to our workflow, Google Docs, update a document. The document ID is still this one. And what we're gonna do, text, find and replace. We're gonna find this and replace it with nothing. So now if we execute this step, and we go back to our file, it's gone. So this is how you insert a chart from Google Sheets into Google Docs. There are some other ways to do it, but those are not scalable. Let's say you can take a screenshot, cut it, and paste it in the document. That's good, only if you have one chart to do it with. Another method is if you publish this chart, you copy the URL, you open it, then you save this image, and then again you can upload it to your Google Drive, but this is also not scalable. So this method is the only scalable method for inserting a chart into Google Docs. You can take charts from several sheets. You can take the second or the third chart from a sheet. Then you only need to change the script in Google Sheets, but that's just a minor adjustment. So this was the first video on YouTube showing you how to do this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos. Have a nice evening, or day, or morning. Bye!